running. Hey guys, hello. So the sun is shining. Yesterday it did as well. I'm so happy that finally the sun is out after so many months, and I'm about to go to the city center and just walk around and see what I can get for myself. Shopping. My bus in 2 minutes, and I'm just here like walking and running. I hope I don't miss it. Yeah. Okay, so I am done shopping at Rusta. I didn't really get what I was looking for, so I will be going to Tokmanni to see if I can be able to get whatever I want. These stores are a bit farther away from the city center, so that is why. Maybe they have nicer things. I want to go to Tokmanni. I can see it from a distance, so yeah, take it with me. Did not get what I was going to look for at Tokmanni, so right now I'm just gonna go to do some little shopping of the things that I want and then go home. I'm not sure if they have a Lidl here. If they did, it would be really easier, I think. Let me check on Google Maps.
hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go?
Guys, so I am just coming back from an event. Coming out of an event, and it was very interesting. Things to do with entrepreneurship and making connections and business, etc. I forgot I had a phone and that I had to vlog, and there was just like a breakfast event or encounter, so it went well. I'm excited for the new connections that I made. Yeah, and cheers to more business things. Oh yeah, and I got popcorns as well. I have to use my balm to open the door. Okay, so I'm going outside and it's cold, so I will be putting on my gloves. Yeah, and I have some shopping to do. Need to get a few things and then maybe go back home. No, and work. I have a test coming up, so I need to practice for that as well.
Didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a channel subscriber, you know the laugh again.
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend.